Rise of freelance writing. In recent years, the rise of freelance writing has been astounding. With the advancement of technology and the increasing demand for online content, more and more people are turning to freelance writing as a viable career option. The flexibility and freedom it provides, along with the potential for high pay, make it an attractive choice for those looking to work from home. As we look ahead to 2024, the freelance writing industry is expected to continue growing at a rapid pace. With that in mind, let's take a look at some of the home-based jobs that are projected to pay well in the coming years. First and foremost, content writing is expected to remain a lucrative field for freelance writers. As companies continue to invest in their online presence, the need for high-quality content will only increase. From blog posts and articles to social media updates and website copy, content writers will be in high demand. Additionally, with the rise of video content, scriptwriting for online videos is also expected to be a lucrative niche within the content writing industry. Another home-based job that is projected to pay well in 2024 is technical writing. Technical writers are responsible for creating user manuals, technical documentation, and other materials that explain complex concepts in a clear and concise manner. As technology continues to advance, the need for skilled technical writers will only grow. With the ability to work from home, technical writers can enjoy the benefits of a stable and well-paying career while maintaining a flexible schedule. In addition to content writing and technical writing, copywriting is another home-based job that is expected to offer high pay in 2024. Copywriters are responsible for creating persuasive and engaging content that promotes a product or service. With the rise of e-commerce and digital marketing, the demand for skilled copywriters will continue to increase. From writing sales pages and email campaigns to crafting compelling ad copy, copywriters play a crucial role in driving sales and generating revenue. Furthermore, as the world becomes more globalized, translation and localization services are projected to be in high demand. Freelance translators and localizers work to adapt content from one language and culture to another, ensuring that it resonates with the target audience. With the expansion of international markets and the need for companies to reach a diverse customer base, translators and localizers will have ample opportunities to work from home and earn a competitive income. Lastly, freelance writing in the field of education is expected to offer well-paying home-based jobs in 2024. Online learning has become increasingly popular, and with that comes the need for educational content. From creating lesson plans and curriculum materials to developing online courses and instructional videos, freelance writers in the education field will play a vital role in shaping the future of learning. In conclusion, the freelance writing industry is projected to offer a plethora of well-paying home-based jobs in 2024. From content writing and technical writing to copywriting and translation services, there are numerous opportunities for freelance writers to earn a competitive income while enjoying the benefits of working from home. As technology continues to advance and the demand for online content grows, the freelance writing industry is poised for continued success in the coming years.